Here's the truth most people still don't understand about AI. AI should eliminate repetitive tasks, not human value. That distinction changes everything. The smartest businesses are not replacing people with AI. They're building systems where humans and AI work together because despite all the hype, AI still lacks real judgment, emotional intelligence, ethics, leadership, human intuition, real world context. AI can process information fast, but it still doesn't fully understand people. And that's why blindly automating everything is dangerous. You do not want AI making every important business decision alone. You want human plus AI collaboration. This is the future. AI handles speed. Humans handle wisdom. AI analyzes data. Humans understand consequences. AI identifies patterns. Humans make strategic decisions. AI automates repetition. Humans build relationships. That combination, that's where the real power is. I know professionals right now doing the work of entire teams, not because AI replaced them, but because AI amplified their capabilities. That's the mindset shift people need to make. Stop asking, how do I compete against AI? Start asking, how do I become more valuable with AI? Because the people who learn how to collaborate with AI will outperform people trying to ignore it. The future belongs to leaders who know how to think critically, communicate clearly, make sound decisions, and leverage AI as a force multiplier. So don't wait until the market forces you to adapt. Start now, experiment, build, learn, stay curious because AI alone is not the advantage. The advantage is the human who knows how to lead with it. The people who win in the AI era will not be the people who panic. They'll be the people who learn how to adapt. The future belongs to humans who can combine critical thinking plus communication plus leadership plus AI leverage. That combination becomes dangerous in the best way possible. So don't ignore this shift. Study it, experiment with it, use it, learn how to work with it. Because AI is not replacing human potential, it's exposing who's willing to evolve. If this message hit home, repost it, share it, or drop your thoughts below. The conversation around AI needs more reality and less fear. And remember this, the calculator didn't eliminate mathematicians. The internet didn't eliminate business. And AI won't eliminate valuable people either. But every technological shift creates two groups, the people who adapt early and the people who eventually get forced to. Choose wisely.